Semper Fidelis means that if you are a foe before me, I will not quit until you fall.
Where we will fight might be uncertain, but we prepare for uncertainty. When called, we will fight and we will win.
What keeps you awake at night?
Nothing. And I keep other people awake at night.
These victories are not won because of our technology or our equipment, but because of all of you. Because of everything you do every day to remain the best trained, most professional, most ready force in the world. That has not changed.